Hello guys, this is Phil. I am from India and I have created this channel to bring you success stories where you can also share your stories by sending them to me so that others can get motivated and inspired and may learn more on manifestation. Please ignore any background noises and English mistakes as it is not my first language. And also, I am a common guy sharing with you everything that I can. I follow Neville Goddard. His technique is to imagine a short scene which depicts that your wish is fulfilled while you are in a relaxed state or ideally in a drowsy state, which is just before when you actually get into the sleep. Please subscribe, like and share the video. Comment your opinions, questions or suggestions. Also your success stories and I will share them in my videos. In the description, I am providing my contacts where you can send me your success stories. This helps a lot of people who may be struggling to get what they want. It's a noble practice to help others, in my opinion. Okay, let's begin. So, me and my girlfriend broke up, not due to a fight or some bad situation, but we were forced to separate due to different castes that we have, which is the biggest disease in Indian society, affecting so many lovely and long relationships. It is a matter of honor of the family name. Guys, I have a few tricks to make you manifest faster and more, which I'll share when I reach 1100 subscribers. So help me with that. Also, there is a link to donate and contribute to my channel. It will encourage me to keep posting success stories to motivate you guys and also raise the quality of my upcoming videos. Also consider becoming my Patreon. Okay, back to my story. So my girlfriend's parents were very stubborn to not let her marry in a caste other than hers. Also ready to abandon her forever if she goes against it, which is common in India. So she had to break up with me. To her, there was no possibility of getting back again with me, and she was forced to talk with some other guy whom her mom had selected. It's called arranged marriage in India, where parents select a suitable guy or girl for marriage of their daughter or son. I was introduced to the law of attraction since 2010 through The Secret, but I never followed it throughout. Although I had a few mini manifestations then. Now, in a do or die situation like this, I decided to apply it again. Researching more about it, I ended up finding Neville Goddard, whose technique is to imagine the end after the wish has fulfilled. I did the same. Now my scene may sound weird, but please don't judge me. I just did what seemed more real and unique to me. So I planned a scene which included that I am fingering my girlfriend's genital organ and I felt all the realness in it. The lubrication, the unique smell of it, and I could see a particular spot that she has on her thigh. All this could all this I could see clearly with my eyes and feel on my fingers. It was very real to me. Along the act, I spoke to her that I am so thankful you are back to me, and hear her respond with a yes, me too. I repeated the scene for maybe 15 to 20 minutes every night, and then I dropped it and slept when I could no longer control the scene consciously. This continued for a week and 2 days. I stopped there because I started getting signs where we would talk a minute or two on the Instagram, which kept increasing. Then I'd imagine only when I just thought about it randomly, but not regularly. After 2 weeks and 2 days, she said, I am convincing my mom so that she allows me as she started getting really annoyed by the guy she was talking to. Although she never liked him and now she did not want to continue any more with him. At the time when we separated, she found no possibility of going further with me. And though it seemed very hard, but we had to do it then. A lot of discussion went at her home. She talked with her mom for 3 hours, trying to convince her for me. Long story short, finally her mom was convinced and she said yes, and also was very happy. Wow, we both were so happy, I cannot tell you. And now we are back together enjoying our relationship. Now, the scene that I imagined exactly became a reality with the same words I spoke to her. Now we are enjoying our relationship even better than before. Remember, her mom was ready to abandon her, and now she said yes. That's a miracle in itself. Although, that is the power of imagination, and Neville was true. Girls can also create a scene something like this if you find it good or something else, but make it which comes more natural and real to you. Along the imaginations, I also affirmed to myself that we both are happily back together and we are marrying, which is a blessing for both of us. So that it also has some specificity to it. And I encourage you to be specific about what does your imaginations mean to you. If it's a goal that impacts your life and has specific nuances, make a phrase or few and repeat them to yourself as much as you can. Impress them on your subconscious mind. So, this was my story, and as I said, I also have some imagination tricks that I think are helpful in making your goals become easier to manifest. I will make a video on them after I reach 1100 subscribers. Till then, I'll bring you more success stories which I experienced, and also send me your success stories in my contact places in the description. Consider donating as much as you can to encourage me, help you, and motivate you more. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Alright, guys, till next time, love you all.